Hello everyone. Do you know that you rarely use airplane mode? Do you know why? Because few people know how to use it effectively. Firstly, airplane mode can save battery life, control, mute, and enable unwanted calls. It can also improve your internet connection speed, and data transfer. I'll tell you and show you everything now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, watch. Airplane mode is when we pull down the curtain. That is, it looks like this little airplane. So, firstly, regarding battery saving. When your phone is almost completely dead, airplane mode can be used to conserve battery life because when you turn on airplane mode, most of the various background processes, functions, and apps that you absolutely do not use are stopped. And in this mode, your battery will be maximally efficient in preserving the remaining charge. And this can really help you in certain situations. Some people even turn on airplane mode at night when they go to bed, so it doesn't drain the battery, since you won't be using your smartphone while you're asleep. The second useful setting concerns your calls. I think everyone has encountered situations where someone actually calls you on your smartphone at an inconvenient time. For example, you're at a conference or have an urgent meeting, and then you get a call, and, of course, everyone is paying attention to you, which is extremely undesirable right now. Therefore, airplane mode is the fastest way to get rid of unwanted calls. So, when you need real silence on your smartphone to prevent people from calling you, you can temporarily turn on airplane mode to block your network and incoming calls, so you won't be disturbed. So, the third useful setting concerns your internet. It doesn't matter whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. Sometimes there's a glitch, either in your router or specifically in your smartphone. Sometimes you're connected to a single tower via mobile data, but for some reason, your settings are still outdated. And the internet is really slow, really bad. The fastest, most effective way is to turn airplane mode on and off. After this simple step, your network reboots and your antenna reconnects to the nearest tower. Consequently, you receive the latest, most updated data transfer settings, and your internet starts working without any errors, at maximum speed, and, of course, brings you nothing but joy. Let's quickly address one more thing. They'll talk about it anyway. So, if we turn on airplane mode, our internet connection naturally disappears. So, let's say we had both mobile data and Wi-Fi turned on. And then we decided to turn on airplane mode to do one of the things I already described. Of course, both our mobile data and Wi-Fi will be lost. To have both airplane mode and the internet working, you just need to turn it back on. So, for example, you see that I have airplane mode on now. There's a little airplane glowing at the top. There's absolutely no network, but I can, for example, turn Wi-Fi back on. And now my internet will be back on. Look, Wi-Fi is connected, and I can use the internet at the same time. And airplane mode is on.